Ano next?
Mom, look what I found.
Ito, Marley, ano to?
Mom, look what I found.
What's that? Ryan?
We found Ryan
Si
here.
Ryan?
Yeah, we found all the Ryans. Why are the ferrets Ryan? Look at that. There's two cars. Oh, you see Ryan here. Ryan.
Picture mask. Picture mask.
Oh, I'm so cute. I'm so loved Ryan. It's so cute.
You choose na dali na.
I need this one. I think.
Ano mo naman yan? How will you do that?
Ah, I want to talk to you.
No. Intercom na lang tayo.
No.
You choose na lang the other toys. Go. Let's go, let's go. Okay.
This. Wait.
What's that?
How you want it here?
What?
You want this here.
Oh, you stay here na lang. There's...
This one, bago ka na. What's this? Adok niya. Toothpaste, nose, dance, toothpaste. The little ponies, big. The kit. Tingnan mo ang little pony na nag-sale. Maraming word.
Saan?
Open the door there. That's easy. What is it? Someone is here.
What's that?
Any characters want to run? And mystery characters. Mom, this is mystery characters. Here, this is the mystery characters.
Mystery na naman. You don't know what's inside. Dapat yun nakikita mo.
Stop again here, right?
Yeah, you didn't play it.
I play.
Don't touch it, don't touch it. Hindi mo alam nasaan na yan eh.
What is this? I want this. So cute. I want the other guys in there.
Andyan lang siya sila.
This one around, this one. Let's try it.
What's that?
I want it.
Should you do that?
We just put it in your head and down. I want it, Mama.
Give me. Magical musical ears.
I want to. This around for my birthday.
No, ask Toto. You're not playing naman eh. For that, for like that lang, Toto not allow you to be by that. This one, ang cute to. Kaso 3,000 eh. So cute, diba? 3,000. Yeah, it's cute nga eh. It's washing machine. So expensive lang. Yeah, natuto is there oh.
Look at this, you like this? Look at this, oh. They have gold paper. Can you see? Garbage dollar. What's this, hairband? And then what does it do?
Nothing.
That's it?
That one, what's that? What will you do that?
Same. The technique.
What will you do that, Lex?
Oh, fix it. I cannot put it on. It's both.
Enough! No, Kenny, you're not listening anymore. You are so...
Huh?
Let's look for the subway.
Galing ah. Get it. Where is it? Thank you. Okay. Last one. Baliktad. It's baliktad. Kasi naman the car if it's... Oh, get it. Let's go. Enough na. You say?